I just wanted to jump in here real quick and let anybody who's interested know that me and Bo have started another channel. It's called Logan Bobo, and it's gonna kind of document some of our travels over the next couple of months, years. Pretty much anything that's not 3D printing related and more related to traveling, adventures, walks in the park with Mr. Bo. That's going to be over on that channel. I'll have it linked down in the description below, and I'll put it up on screen here if anybody's interested in heading over there and watching some of what we've got going on. And if you want to see more of it, subscribe and help the channel out. We want to try to grow and hit 1,000 subscribers over there so we can start doing some more fun stuff instead of always being in this little garage here. I'm sure Bo would appreciate it. So again, channel's called Logan and Bobo, and that is linked down in the description below. We've already got our first trip to Maine up there and the second trip to Maine. I do have 2 more episodes coming out for that vacation, so depending on when you head over there and subscribe, those may already be up, but as of right now, the time that I'm recording this, there are 2 videos on the channel right now. And yeah, we'd appreciate it if anybody who's interested in seeing more than just 3D printing stuff and want to see some adventures with the pup, head on over there, hit the subscribe button, check out what we've got going on, and I'll see you there and here whenever we've got more stuff going on. Thanks for watching this little clip, and I hope to see you over there. Take care.